is another Nityam, which is a changing Nityam. Pravaha Nityatvam. One is Apekshika Nityatvam, other is called Pravaha Nityatvam. You pick up anything in this world, it always is in a different form, correct? Changing form, it remains there. You ask anything in this world, even a mountain you can ask. Mountain, a stone, a rock comes out of it, a rock again rolls with the water, become a small stone, again become a sand, sand become soil, soil become what? Tomato. Tomato become what? Your body, your physical body. So rock became what? Mountain become what? And you die, and again goes to soil. And your grandson eats the same tomato again, new one. He says, it tastes well. Who tastes well? Grandpapa. It tastes well. That's could be it. You are there in one form or another. Even a stone is there, changing it is there. If you ask the history of the autobiography of the water also, oh, I was in the ocean, I went up, then became a cloud, and went around, and went to Toledo, not Detroit, Toledo only is going to get rain, and came down again, because what? Mami river. What is the river name? Mami? Mama, Mami. He became Mami. And Mami, I become a spring and joined the Mami. Again went to what? Somebody again popped me out in the garden and I was watering the tree. Like that. If you ask anything is what? Now what form is there? Before what form was there? Everything is its own thing. Even your garbage you ask history, only this what is called styrofoam will remain like that. After 10,000 years of styrofoam will be like that only. Why? Bio, they become nitya in a way. Block. And that's when all of us should stop using styrofoam, plastic. Very dangerous for going to come generation, very dangerous. And one more thing I wanted this, American government should be very strict. Any farmland or cultivated land, we should not build anything on that. Very wrong. To get a soil, it takes hundreds of years to make a soil. The bacteria, the flora, everything makes it. Destroying that is a proper my friend. Never to do it. Anyway, so pravaha nityatvam, apekshika nityatvam, correct? And third nityatvam is called nitya which is satya. There we use the word nitya as satya. Satya means which is in 3 period of time, not subject to time, basis of time, 3. In past, present, future it is, not affected by the time, and very time is because of whom? Trishu kaleshu tishtati. Bhuta vartaman bhavishya trishu kaleshu yattishtati tas-satyam tat-nityam. Very basis of the time. Time is satya, nitya is. Time is collapsible factor. Time collapses into which doesn't collapse, is called nitya satya. Therefore we say Kutastha Nitya. One is Pravaha Nityam, third is Apekshikam Nityam, and the thing is what? Kutastha. Kutastha means what? Kutavat tishtati. Like an anvil doesn't change, all form changes, but does not subject to any change. Why? It is changeless, substratum of the very time. Who is this? I am nobody glorifies you like that in the world. Do anybody say you are Nitya, you are a Satya, you are Ananda? I am telling you all these words. Atma Tattvam Pratasmaramiruddhi Sanspuradatma Tattvam Satchissukam Paramahamsa Gatim Turiyam Yaswapna Jagarada Sushuptam Avaiti Nityam. Second line is still remaining. Satchisukham. I am what? That me which is Nitya, which is Satya is what? Sat. Sat abhavana vidyate, we already said. That which has no non-being. Sat means that which gives existence to everything. You never appreciate a thing as asat. That is not possible. Anything you appreciate is always in form of is. Clay is. Pot is. Broken pot is, pieces of that is kapala, is. If I powder that, churnam is. If I divide that churnam, the powder further, what? Molecule is. Divide further molecule, atom is. Till further divide. What is that? Divide atom further, what? Particle is. Particle also is because of what? Is that the energy is. Everything particle is, like again concept particle. The concept also is because thought is. Now tell me, is there absence of isness anywhere? No. Where does this isness come? Does it come from clay? From the pot? The clay is because of what? What is this isness? That is me. That isness is not in the pot. The isness is because of awareness. I am, therefore clay is. Only isness in this world is me only, which gives existence to everything. Sat pratyaya vihaya kimnu santaha. That is called isness. You may break anything, but isness does not go. Why? Now tell me, one thing without isness. Yes, Swamiji, I thought what? Barren woman's son. Is there or not? Barren woman is there, son is not there. But isness is because of what? Me. The concept is because you are there. The sun may not be there, but to think about the sun, you are there. That is existence. So satah abhavana vidyate. Is katasan, patasan, matasan. You appreciate everything as is only. That isness has no non-being. That is called existence. Existence is not an attribute of an object. I can go on and on breaking your morning. My real Vedanta starts now. I can start for 2 hours only in this area. There's so much in there. Okay, I'll leave you. Next topic is Chit. Chit is what? Consciousness. Now, the word Chit has got the name called knowledge. Consciousness is Samvit. Now, this is confusion is here. Satyam Gnanam Anantam Brahma. When a Gnanam word comes, we always mistake the Gnanam as a knowledge. I got engineering knowledge, biology knowledge, astronomy knowledge, Vyakaranam Gnanam. Do you mean Gnanam like this? No. Now what we understand Gnanam is the knower knows an object in a form of a knowledge. I know this rose. I got the rose knowledge, correct? Object is rose. I am the knower who has got rose knowledge. Now here the knower, known and knowledge, all the three are what? Changing or same? Changing. Now I know pot. Now I know cloth. Now I know house. Now I know sun. Now I know moon. Now I know cloud. Now I know rain. Knower also changes. I am what? Who? Knower of the rain. Knower of the umbrella. Knower of the water. One child asked me, Swamiji, what is that which goes up when rains come down? What is that? Umbrella. So, when rains come down, umbrella goes up. Is right? Therefore, umbrella knowledge. All this changing. Knowledge changing. Knower also what? Knower of the umbrella. Therefore, you got different name also. He a doctorate in PhD in what? In medicine, in physics, correct? So knower also changes, knowledge also changes, and object of knowledge also what? Changes. We already said Atma Tattvam is changing reality or changeless? Nityam. Therefore, it is neither knower, knowledge or known. That is called Pramata, Prameya, Prama. Is not that? Or means of knowledge, Pramanam. It is what then? Because of whom the Pramata is, because of whom the Vritti Gnanam is, because of whom the object of knowledge is, and who does not depend on these three, is called consciousness. Understand? I am conscious of being the knower. I am conscious of my knowledge. I am conscious about the object of the knowledge also. All these three are changing. Consciousness is what?